So this is part 2 of the surprise bag or something like that, what it's called. I'm sure I'll remember. So previously in part 1, if you didn't see it, I got this really adorable Anna. Hi! So let's see what we're going to be opening next. Is it going to be a Palace Pets Mini, or lip gloss, or pig. Let me see. It's a monkey lip gloss. So anyways, I'm going to open the other 2 in a minute, maybe next time. So let's open this one. Is the monkey iPod. Sorry. Oh, it smells nice. Try and smell it. So it's red. Do not let babies in your lip gloss. So I'm gonna rate them so I'm gonna say which one is best when I finish all the lip glosses. So basically, this looks like a sort of sauce, the way it looks there. And it looks like there's some ice cream underneath it there. And of course we have the stick. And his little ears and chain. Amber actually got, for all of her, she got like tons, well not really tons, like nearly all of them, but she got like a ton tack, and it was holding it on the wall, and she had like 12 going across it. It's real cool, and has his little cute eyes, and his little nose, his little cheeks, and his smile. So I'll leave this over here with the Anna egg. I'll just take her out and then put her on top. Anna just fell. So this is what we opened so far. Including the monkey lip gloss. So yeah, part 3 that's coming up right now after this one uploads. So I'll see you next time. Bye.